to the sewer lake. Happy New Year. We're here to do a quick test. I brought the brand spanking new GPS, but it is dead. No battery in it. So that's not gonna work, but we're not here for that. All right, so let me show you guys here what we did. I installed this air dam over here to diffuse the air coming into the air trap, slow it down a little bit, so hopefully that'll work. We're gonna run it on 4S parallel. These are two 4S 3400 SMC packs. So steering, get these birds out of the way. Oh, that wasn't working well. Let's get her on plane. Oh, blowing those turns. CG way too far forward with this setup. Look at that. She's still lifting. Oh, birds are out of the way. Yeah, she is not running well at all. She's good in a straight line, horrible in the turn, I'll tell you that. See that? Water cooling's good. There you go, I just had to get the hang of her. Still lifting a little bit, guys. Yeah, I don't like this tune. Wasn't expecting that. And these birds, come on, threading this needle. Come on, birds. Oh, and I didn't land it again. Alright, don't fall in the water, Coby. See if we can't. Yeah, we did tighten that bow up a little bit. Ah. Definitely good in the straights. Ooh, did I flip her? Oh, I did. Oh, nice and clean. Oh, again. Don't flip, don't flip. Don't flip. Don't flip. All right, could have been worse. Let's open her up, throw some 6S packs in her before the rain starts, and we'll get out of here. All right, guys, we're gonna run 6S right now, right over here. We got these two fishermen that just decided to post up right here next to me, but I'm gonna run it anyways. She's smooth on 6S, guys. Much better tune with the batteries a little further back. Try to keep her upright, boys. Walking those sponsons. Really wish we had that GPS at the moment, but it is what it is. Just feathering that throttle, guys. It still wants to lift. Got to be very linear with that throttle. She likes this 17-14 prop, guys, on 6S, definitely. Ooh, whoa, spun her out. This guy's blocking us right here, guys. Thank you. Really wish we had that GPS, boys. She's moving nicely. Yeah. Oh, these batteries are dead. All right, guys. That was short-lived on success. Some cheapo depot Ovonic packs. I've had them charged for like, I don't know, probably a week. So they're not charged no more. That's it, guys. Took you along with me to test out this air trap. And she definitely needs a bit of tuning. My turn fin moved a little bit, but the air trap is helping. I think I'm gonna remove the second layer that I put on. Now it's a 1/4 inch high. Before I had it an 1/8 inch high. It was working better with an 1/8 inch high, but honestly, other than how she looked in the water, I don't know how fast she was moving. But that's kind of it. So let's take her back to the car. We'll open her up and we'll get out of here. It's about to start raining any second. All right, guys, back at the car. I just got the tape off and that's it. Got a little bit of water in her from the second tape session. It's about a teaspoon. All right, that's it, boys. H26 dialing her in with this new air trap. And that's pretty much it. Maybe we can tune her in a little better with a different prop. Other than that, at least we're out here, right? So happy New Year, everybody, and see you next time.